Hello friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is mushroom green peas curry. For this recipe, I have taken 200 grams of mushroom. This is cut into thin slices. Half cup cooked green peas. 1.5 teaspoons chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 3 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste, half cup finely chopped onion, 3 medium tomatoes finely chopped. I grinded 15 almonds, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, 5 to 10 curry leaves, about 3 to 4 pieces cinnamon, cumin seeds 1 teaspoon, oil 4 to 5 teaspoons, and salt. Pan is getting heated. Add oil, cumin seeds, cinnamon, onion. Fry this for 1 minute. Let's add ginger garlic paste, chili powder, garam masala, coriander powder, turmeric powder. I'm going to add some water. Let's fry this in low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. I fried this for 3 minutes. Let's add the tomato now, curry leaves, salt. I'm going to add half cup water. Cover the pan and cook till the tomatoes are soft. Let's check now. This is cooked. Let's add the mushroom. Add 1.5 cups water. You can check the salt now. If you need more salt, you can add. Cover the pan and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes. This is cooked. Let's add the green peas now. Almond paste. Let's cover the pan and cook for 3 more minutes. It's been 3 minutes. Let's add the coriander leaves. Mushroom and green peas curry is ready. This is a very easy and tasty recipe. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.